So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to repeat tasks in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is open up your planner on here so you can see my day, my tasks, my plan, my portfolios. So you can open up your plans, you can see stuff like this. So you can see new name, project, and so on. So if you open one of those, so you can do it through here, you can see some tasks that have been added and you can do a repetition of some tasks. So let's just open, for instance, this one. You can see here attachments, to do, backlog, start, finish, note, assigned to. You can see effort. If we switch it up to here, it's gonna show you some other tasks, and depending which tasks you have, you're gonna see something like this. So if they're not dependent tasks, you can see bucket, progress, priority, repeat, due date, and start date, and you can go to repeat on here. So you can see here daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can even go to custom and then repeat every day. So you can set up some other rules for it on there. So if you click on here, it's going to be a recurring task that's going to be, you can even see the icon right here, that's going to be popping up every day. And you just need to do that. You can even set up something maybe for a payroll to do it on weekly or monthly basis as well. So you can do it like this. And that's basically the way that you can add recurring tasks so you can organize more easily. So you can see here recurring tasks has been added. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.